Hey guys, I am Devangana. Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you a question first. How many of you like kodam full? Sometimes it's called as kodamba flower also. So today I am going to make a kodam full. Do you know it's the favorite flower of Lord Sri Krishna also. Radha Krishna Leela and most of the Ras Leelas are played under the shade of this tree. According to great poet Rabindranath Tagore, বাদল দিনের প্রথম কদম ফুল. Yes, the rainy season is really incomplete without kodam full. So let's start to make a kodam full only with paper. We will make this whole flower by combining small petals. For petals, take a piece of paper with 1 inch radius. To get that, draw a circle first and then cut the circle. Petal will be looking like this. Divide the circular paper in 8 same parts. We actually need 12 to 15 petals to make the half of a flower. I will share a tip to get 12 circular paper in one go at the end of this video. So please watch till the end. Okay, draw 3 peaks now and then cut the peaks. Now unfold the paper. We get a circular paper with 24 peaks. Now we have to shape all these 24 peaks. I am using a knife here. You may use a long needle or thin stick also, but that need to reach to the center of the paper. You need to press the paper very carefully, especially at the top. Not so hard, then it will turn, and not so soft because we need to get a clear crease line. Yes, it's a laborious job. You may take help from your family members or friends, but you need to do this. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and comment also. Your comment is really precious for me. Well, time to make the petal. Fold the paper in this way and fix the end with glue. Petal is ready. After making 12 to 15 of this, you need to fix all of them on a circular base. First coat the base with glue and then put the petals on it like this. After finishing the first layer, again coat with glue and repeat the same until you have finished all the petals. Half of the flower is ready now. Make another one like the same way. Now the stalk. For that I am taking a green paper and roll that paper using a quilling needle. You may do all this thing by your hand also. Then attach the stalk in between two halves of the flower. Finally, color the tip to get a perfect look. Well, it's ready. Now the time for tips. 12টা গোল কাগজ একসাথে পাওয়ার জন্য আমরা কি করব? একটা A4 কাগজকে আমরা 4 ভাগে ভাগ করে নেব। Then we will draw 3 circles with 1 inch radius and cut them. By doing this, we can get 12 circular papers at a time. So it's ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.